Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue port 4200 is already used in Angular. So let's get started. So there are two solutions over here. First thing is directly over here by just pressing the Y key, because it clearly says here would you like to use a different port. So if I just click on Y and hit enter, it will itself choose as a different port and start our application. So if you go to that particular port, our application will be getting started. And in case if you don't want this port and if you want to choose some other port, what you can do is just stop it, Control C, and just copy this particular command, and you need to go to package.json file, and right here under scripts you need to go to start and just paste it. Alright, so the port 4200 was already in use, and now we are specifying that this particular Angular project should start at port 5000 rather than 4200. So I'm saving it now, and if I clear this, and this time rather than using the command ngserve, just use the command npm start and hit enter, and this will start our application in port 5000. Here you can see, yeah. So these are some of the ways how you solve this issue, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel, done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.